Hi, Liesl here to introduce our new skincare and share pack. This kit provides all the accessories you need for your Natrience home party. So whether you're gonna invite 2 or 3 of your favorite friends or have a much bigger party of 10, this pack, along with your Natrience products, which comes separate from the kit, lets your guests experience our innovative skincare products in style. So let's do an unboxing and check out what's included. First off, there's a cute and classy Natrience tote bag. This stores and carries all your accessories for your home party. But inside is also the literature that you need. First is your Natrience User's Guide. This is your trusted companion to teach how nature's best is blended with cutting-edge science for a flawless glow. 10 Natrience catalogs that are the gateway to discovering these innovative skincare products, and a tear and share regimen chart set that guides your guests how to choose and experience a regimen targeted to their specific skincare concerns. All you do is find out which one's for you, tear it off, and give it to them. I'm the firming regimen. Then we have 10 palettes. This is your place to sample each of the Natrience products right at their fingertips. To keep things clean, we've got 10 mini spatulas that keep things sanitary while dipping into Hydro-Rich Repair Cream. And for people like me, 10 elastic bands to keep your guests' hair in place and out of their face while they pamper their skin. You'll also get 10 of these very cool mirrors that stand up. This lets your guests witness the magic of the Natrience skincare line firsthand, making it easy for them to see and fall in love with their glowing results. We have 10 of these very cute washcloths that are perfect for drying your guest's face after cleansing with the Pure Balance Jelly Cleanser. And my favorite is this blue light kit. Comes with instructions. If I can do it, you can do it, but you're able to demonstrate how effective Skin Dew Refreshing Mist is at filtering and protecting the skin against blue light exposures, and your guests will love this. These Natrience branded items are the thank you goodies, perfect party favors to send home with your guests. These gifts will help them remember the magic of the Natrience brand and keep the glow going long after the party ends.
Natrience, the alliance of nature and science.